Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to English with Mhajo. I'm Mhajo, your ESL bestie, here with another 5-minute hack. Today, we're going to talk about two little words that confuse English learners all the time: may and might. They look similar, they sound polite, but if you mix them up, you might or may accidentally sound weird. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know when to use may, when to use might, and you'll never confuse them again. Let's jump in. Okay, first things first, may and might are both used to talk about possibility. For example, it may rain tomorrow. It might rain tomorrow. Both mean, don't forget your umbrella or you'll end up looking like a wet cat. So, in many cases, may and might are like twins. They both mean there's a chance something will happen. But here's the catch. May usually feels a little stronger, like you're more confident. Might feels weaker, like you're not really sure. Example, she may come to the party. If your friend bought a new dress just for the party, we use may because it means she will come. After all, she bought a dress. And you don't spend money on a dress just to stay home eating noodles, right? She might come to the party. In this situation, the certainty is a little less. You know, we all have the one friend who would rather stay home, eat pizza, watch Netflix, and cuddle with her cat. And honestly, that friend sounds exactly like me. So, think of it this way. May is equals to 60 to 70% chance, while might is equals to 30 to 40% chance. Or simply, may is the optimistic friend, might is the skeptical one. Here's another difference. May can also mean permission. Example, you may leave early today. And that means that's your teacher being nice. But might doesn't work for permission. You might leave early today. That sounds like your teacher isn't sure if you'll escape or not. So if you're asking for permission, say, may I use the bathroom? If you say, might I use the bathroom? You'll sound like you time traveled from the 1800s. Now, what about the past? We usually use might have when we're guessing about the past events. Example, he might have forgotten to call you. She might have missed the bus. We can say may have too, but might have is way more common. So if your friend says, why didn't John text me? You can answer, he might have fallen asleep. Not, he may have fallen asleep, unless you're trying to sound like Sherlock Holmes. Another difference, might is often used to sound extra polite or careful. For example, I might suggest a different idea. It sounds soft and polite. Might I ask you a question? It's super formal, like a fancy British butler serving tea. So if you want to sound polite, use might. If you want to sound like a boss, use may. Example, you may now kiss the bride. This is the correct phrase. The word may is used here because it's giving permission. The priest or officiant is officially allowing the groom to kiss the bride. But if you use might, you might kiss the bride. It suddenly sounds uncertain. Like maybe you can kiss the bride, maybe not. We're not really sure. It turns a very romantic moment into a very awkward one. Oh, poor bride. And now it's time for a daily drill. Fill in the blank with might and may. Ready? Here we go. Let's wrap this up. Here's a quick recap. May is equals to strong possibility and permission. Might is equals to weaker possibility and polite or past situations. Simple, right? You may not like this video or you might forget, but please don't forget. Subscribe to English with Mhajo for more fun grammar lessons and tell me in the comments, which do you use more, may or might? Thank you. See ya. Bye.